I had a conversation with a lady yesterday who said she was saving her passwords on her iPhone. Now, I don't save my passwords on my iPhone using an iPhone app. She uses the password app on her iPhone. My recommendation is to use something that can go across all of your devices. For me, I've decided to save my passwords. I use a tool called LastPass. I can get access to LastPass on my MacBook Pro, my MacBook Air, my iPad, my wife's computer. I can get access to it on my iPhone. Furthermore, I can log in to LastPass from a web browser from any device in the world and get to my passwords. By the way, my passwords are secure in LastPass because I use a very extreme 16 character master password to my LastPass account. And I never share that password with anyone because it's the keys to the kingdom. Now, that aside, if you're using the password app on your iPhone and you don't know how to get to it and you don't know how to see your passwords, that's the reason for this video. Let me show you how to get to the password app on your iPhone. If you have the password app as an icon somewhere on your iPhone, it's pretty easy just to click on that app. However, if you don't, if you use two fingers and you drag down the middle of the screen, you type in pass. I don't even need to type in the whole word. There it is, passwords. And by the way, there's my LastPass. You just click on that icon. Boom. And I have Face ID that logs me in, so I didn't need to type in my iPhone password. But now I'm in my Apple iPhone passwords app. And there are all, if we come back, there's 67 passwords in here. 18 of them have a security risk. 16 of them are Wi-Fi. 5 have been deleted recently. 2 are passkeys. I can go to all and I can see all of the passwords that are in this system. Now, again, these are in the iPhone Passwords app. Furthermore, one of the nice things about the iPhone Passwords app is if I go to an item like the first one on the list that is not relevant to me anymore, so I'm going to delete it. Not only can I see the username and the website, I can see any security issues with it, but I can also, if I click on the word password, I'm hiding it from you, but I can see the password to this account. Furthermore, if I click the edit button in the upper right hand corner, I can not only see the password there, but I can click in the password field and change it. The change password in blue is going to send me back to, in this case, Amazon to change the password. But I can overwrite the password here manually. And then I can hit, when I'm done, I can simply hit save. I'm going to hit cancel. And then I can come back out of the display of that password and I'm back to my list. The other thing I can do right here is I can delete it. So I can gently swipe to the left and I can hit the delete icon and delete that. So any of these passwords in here I no longer want. Again, I just simply grab it, drag it to the left and hit the delete button and then confirm it. It'll go away completely in 30 days. Anything in here that I don't want, I can delete pretty easily just by swiping to the left and hit delete. And if I go back to the home page, you'll see now there are 64, but I have 8 that are marked for deletion, which again will go away in 30 days. If you are going to use the password app on your iPhone, there's a couple things that are important. Number one, manage this data. Do not let it get out of date. Do not let it stack up with a bunch of irrelevant passwords you're no longer using. And most importantly, make sure the passwords in it are accurate. Number two, never let anyone get access to your cell phone. Keep it with you at all times. Make sure that there's a passcode on it so you actually have to either use your Face ID or a passcode to get into your iPhone so that you protect your iPhone from others. Additionally, you never want to let anybody into your password app. Don't let anybody in it. Don't let them see the passwords in it. You really want to secure that. And additionally, under settings, if you go to settings, you go down to Face ID and passcodes, you're probably going, I gotta like type in my password. You're probably, oh, doop boop, boop, boop. There it is. Under Face ID and passcode, password autofill. You want to make sure that's enabled because if that's enabled, then the iPhone will be able to use your Face ID to be able to use the passwords that you have saved in the password app. Again, I'm a LastPass guy, but for those of you who want simple and easy that works predominantly only on your iPhone, the iPhone password app is a good solution.